Hey, welcome back to our channel. It's Shelly
and Andy
and today
Kayla in the back.
And Kayla's gonna be like the director slash cameraman or production, as Tabitha wants to say. But we are gonna do this little TikTok thing that they have seen. It has the tomatoes with feta cheese, and we could not find a block of feta cheese, so we had to get the crumble feta. And then pasta. That's the main ingredients. There's other stuff that we're gonna add, like shrimp, chicken, because Bubba don't like shrimp too much. But we're gonna kind of make it like a shrimp scampi type thing.
Yeah.
But we're gonna aim the camera down so you can see what we're doing. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna let you see. Andy's really gonna tell me what needs to be in there because this is their thing, not mine.
Yeah, TikTok thing. TikTok tries.
We'll be right back. The camera woman is going to turn it down. Okay, so we're back. Here's everything that we're gonna put in there. I have to have seasoning, they have to have seasoning, so we're gonna put some seasoning in it.
Yep.
Other than just the tomatoes, olive oil, and whatever.
Yep.
So Andy's gonna tell me how they all set it up. So what's up?
Okay, so first you add your tomatoes.
So these are tomatoes. They pre-rinsed them.
You gotta use cherry tomatoes, by the way. And we rinsed them.
Oh, I didn't know you just dump them out like that.
Yep.
Okay. Just crush this stuff because you know, I don't like these tomatoes like this. So, but
you don't tell me too early.
Well, I mean, it is what it is, but you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what's next?
The feta cheese.
Okay. Now this is like we said, the crumbly one, because you know when them TikTokers
get mixed
doing stuff, you know, y'all be doing stuff. Y'all be taking up everything.
Yeah.
So this is the crumbled feta cheese. Hopefully it will not burn. And we did wash our hands.
Yeah, and it's about the same amount as a block of feta, probably a little more, but that's, you know.
Okay, so
then you're gonna add your garlic next.
No,
we got crushed garlic because couldn't find any garlic cloves.
Can we get this? Yes. Yeah, there were no garlic cloves either. So we're gonna add some garlic. This is already chopped. We always keep
the garlic. Yeah, the garlic's supposed to be the taste, so you know we like flavor.
Yeah. So here's the garlic. It'll get all mixed up.
Cause I never had feta before, but it has a taste to it already. So.
Okay, what's
then
next?
You add your olive oil. You kind of like drizzle it along. Make sure you get on the tomatoes.
Okay, is that enough? Okay, cause we're not frying it.
Yeah, and if you want, just kind of like mix the tomatoes and the olive oil a little bit so it gets moisturized, and get the garlic mixed up in there. Might want to add more garlic. No, wait, because you're gonna add seasons after this, so.
Okay. So there you
go.
Then
you add your. Kayla, do basil go in there? Yeah. Before it cooks.
Okay.
Yeah, you do your basil.
So
fresh basil.
This is semi-fresh basil because like TikTokers. Okay, so that's enough basil. Okay, what else is this? This is oregano. Don't we have Italian seasoning? So this is some oregano.
Yeah, and then some people add crushed red pepper as well.
This is chili pepper. Chili powder?
Just for color, a little spice.
Oh gosh.
And that's really for the shrimp and chicken too.
Oh, okay.
Salt and pepper for the taste. And chili pepper flakes again for your spice.
Chili pepper. This smells
good. This looks pretty.
They sure do, and it smells good. And then you said some salt and pepper. We'll go with this salt and pepper.
I don't know where we got. I think we took that to King's Creek, so.
Oh yeah.
I just presentation purposes.
Okay, and then there's some pepper, salt and pepper.
So now that we've added all our seasonings, it's time to put it in the oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes.
Okay, the stove is preheating. While the stove is preheating, we're gonna cook our shrimp on the side. Some chicken. We're gonna boil some chicken or stir fry some chicken up so we can mix it in here. And we'll be right back again. Okay, so the stove is preheated, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, 400 for
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. So you put your shrimp and your shrimp, a little bit of garlic in there.
It took forever for Roger to realize that I was going to decide. I'm trying to get over here so that I can't even see the camera.
Okay.
Might have to see things. Is it on? Okay.
Turn it so we can see it. Okay.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, it does. It smells really good. Okay, so we pulled it out, and I don't like my tomatoes like this. I don't think they like them like this, too tough. So
now we have to mush it.
Go ahead, mush them and see how.
Ms. Baldwin. Ms. Baldwin, guilty.
What's the whole thing? Oh, these are peel shrimp.
Mr. Bozeman, not guilty. Mr. Braun. Mr. Braun, not guilty. Mr.
Okay.
Bradford.
So we're gonna put it in the blender to blend it a little bit.
Mrs. Capito.
I hope it don't do nothing while it's still hot. And then we're gonna
We
mix
can
it
wait for it
back.
to cool.
Mr. Carden.
And then we're gonna mix our shrimp.
Mr. Parker.
Just glass.
It's plastic.
Mr. Parker, guilty. Mr. Crepo, not guilty.
I mean, it looks good like this, but Andy, don't, you
I
know.
don't like chunky tomatoes like that.
Not
And
guilty.
it looks better when it's blended because it adds more color.
Mr. Dane, not guilty. Ms. Duckworth.
Okay.
Ms. Duckworth, guilty. Mr. Dirk, guilty. Mrs. Fisher. Mrs. Fisher, not guilty. Mrs. Gillibrand. Mrs. Gillibrand, guilty. Not
Okay.
guilty. Mr. Haggerty. Mr. Haggerty, not guilty.
This is good.
Ms. Hassel. Ms.
So we're
Hassel,
gonna put it on. Now we're gonna
guilty.
blend it.
Mr. Bowling. Mr. Bowling, not guilty.
Oh, that's
Mr.
good.
Mr. Haggerty,
Drop to the bottom, Caleb.
not
Okay.
There's still gonna be chunky tomatoes in there. It's
That's
okay.
a lot.
Smith, not guilty. Mr. Inhofe. Mr. Inhofe,
You want to take some out.
Mr. Johnson.
Just take a scoop and take some out.
Mr. Johnson, not guilty. Mr. Kane. Mr. Kane, guilty. Guilty.
Okay.
Mr. Lee.
Okay, so now
Mr. Lee,
we blended it.
not guilty. Mr. Lujan,
And he's gonna pour it on top of there. Be careful opening it.
guilty. Ms. Lemon,
And she's gonna pour it on there, and then we're gonna pour the shrimp in there, and then we have chicken on the side, like I said, because Bubba don't like.
They're still smoking.
Mr. Manchin, guilty. Mr. Murphy. Mr. Murphy, guilty.
Okay.
Ms. Murkowski,
So now she's gonna add some of the shrimp.
guilty.
We'll probably get the other one.
Mr. Murphy, guilty. Mrs. Murray,
Take
Mrs. Murray, guilty.
You're gonna have to use two heat.
me.
Yeah. It's not that hot
Mr.
there.
Cole, not guilty. Mr. Peters. Mr. Peters.
Go ahead, flip it while she's doing it.
Mr. Portman. Mr. Portman, not guilty. Mr. Reed. Mr. Reed, guilty. Mr. Rich. Mr. Rich.
Okay, that's good, Caleb, because now it's gonna be all over. Just wait, let her put some.
Mr. Rodney, guilty. Miss Rosen. Miss Rosen, guilty. Mr. Rounds. Mr. Rounds, not guilty. Mr. Rubio. Mr. Rubio, not guilty. Mr. Sanders.
Okay,
Mr.
that's it.
Schatz. Mr. Schatz, guilty. Mr. Schumer.
Okay, that's good.
Guilty. Mr. Scott of Florida. Mr. Scott of Florida.
That looks so good.
Okay, so here it is. It's the finished thing.
South Carolina, guilty. Mr. Shipley.
Now we're gonna do a taste test. Okay, so now we're gonna taste this
Feta
feta tomato stuff. We have onions. We have some fried onions because I like onions. I didn't want to mix them because I didn't think they were going to mix them. But we use some of the juice from the shrimp
to flavor it.
And then we have some chicken that for Bubba and who else. And then we have the
Final product.
final product. Okay, so go ahead.
It's gonna get a little bit of taste.
Yeah. I know what we're probably gonna have for dinner.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get a fork?
Yeah.
So now let's see how this TikTok stuff tastes. Good job.
I didn't know noodles.
Okay. That's a little bit, but just a little more. Okay, so let me taste.
Is it good?
But the cheese is overpowering, but it's good.
Yeah, I can still taste tomato. This is good though.
Put some onions on it. Those onions are good.
I like it. It tastes good.
Yeah, there's a lot of feta cheese.
Yeah. Just imagine with no seasoning, because some people don't put seasoning on it.
Oh, it's spicy. Something spicy too. To the pepper.
Not that spicy though. Can I taste some onions with it?
So what's the next TikTok thing that I'm gonna have to, well, we have to try to make that's trending?
I haven't seen anything yet. This is, this has just started trending, so.
It's good.
Yeah. The onions make it spicy.
Really?
It's a little kick in the onions, yeah. It tastes good with the onions though. The onions are like sweet and spicy. This is good though, and it's easy to make and it doesn't take long.
Yeah, if you really wanted to make it real quick, have your pasta ready and then just.
We had chicken too, but chicken is chicken. I like it with the shrimp.
Yeah.
And I'm glad we blended up the tomatoes because
Yeah, I don't think I would like them too much, Yeah, I see a piece right there, but
I don't really like cooked tomatoes.
tomato skins, you mean? Could you eat tomato sauce?
Yeah, and I'll eat it in chili sometimes because you really can't taste it. I just don't like the mushiness, and warm. I don't know, I've always been like that.
Pretty good. So,
10 out of 10.
yeah.
And we got more feta.
So whoever thought of this, good idea. So till then, that's perfect timing. See ya.
Peace.
Bye.